So I wanted to share something with you today. This John Deere LT150 lawn tractor that I have here. It's really very simple. Once I pulled the engine out to do some engine work on it, take a look at this. It's really not as intimidating as one might think. Very simply, this is the solenoid, something that needs to get replaced from time to time. That connects to the battery. This side connects to the starter. And these are relays. They're kind of like circuit breakers. And up under the dashboard, we've got, this is a safety switch. So if we engage the blade, see this thing here, push it on that button. So that makes sure that you can't start it with the blades engaged. And really there's not much more to it. So don't be intimidated if you have to fix one of these things, because it's really not that tough.